Good morning, garden friends. We are in Lake Oswego, Oregon, on the lakefront. We just finished designing this modern landscape last year. So all the planting beds are just in their second year, but they're taking off with a bang. Today we are here doing our fine gardening thing. What is fine gardening? Fine gardening is taking care of all the fine garden details on a regular basis. On a regular basis, I think, is the key to not getting overwhelmed. Numero uno, weed. Put on your best playlist, and if you're out on a beautiful day, overcast or sunny, it can be very chill. Dos, deadhead as much as you can to refresh, especially for repeat bloomers. Tres, mulch with leaf debris compost to feed your plants and hold down the weeds. And fresh, dark compost always looks so clean and beautiful, just like after a rainfall. The transparent Zen sculpture. It disappears as you view it from different angles. Strikingly beautiful and such a strong focal point. Savannah and I tweaking the mobile HydroWise irrigation app. So convenient to dial in the right amount of water for your plants wherever you are. We're always adjusting. Hannah and I checking out what we need to add to the cutting garden. Acanthus mollis. I love the spires. I think spires are my favorite plant shape. They add height and drama, like exclamation points in the garden. Virginia, great for evergreen massing. These have sweet white blooms. The gunnera, dinosaur food, way back when. So dramatic. This is Holly Stickley from the White Pear. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time. Come visit us at thewhitepear.com.